Hello dear viewers, in this video I am taking a topic from your IELTS Speaking Part 2 and also trying to provide you a sample answer. As a result, you will have clear understanding how to perform very naturally on your test. So let's get started with the topic itself. The topic for today is describe an interesting hobby, and you should say what it is, what kind of people do it, how it is done, and explain why you think it's interesting. Well, now I'd like to talk about a hobby, and that is gardening. I am a great fond of it. Actually, I saw a garden just near my school when I was in my class 5, and that motivated me a lot to make a garden by myself. And eventually, my dream came true in just few months' time. I personally started it. I bought few plants and I privileged on particularly flower plants, and especially I think it was the roses. So I planted those plants in my garden and tried to work hard on it, provided proper nutrition, water, vitamins and fertilizers, for example. And in just few days time it was looking very promising, they were looking very fresh, and I was really excited to see this. And I think in just 3 to 4 months time we started to give him flower, and I was actually so much of excited to see this that I can't express in my words. I was literally spellbound to see the first flower in my garden. I think this hobby is really convenient for people from all walks of life, as it started in my childhood. So people who are in their young ages, they can make it, or also people who are older, they also can make it. I particularly like this hobby and find it very interesting in compared to any other hobbies in the world. The first reason is this hobby requires some physical activity as well. It's not just about you are getting mentally refreshment and getting entertainment and some sorts. On top of that, you are being physically very active, as you need to work on your garden in every single day. So this gives a wonderful opportunity to get rid from many types of diseases. For example, high blood pressure and diabetes type. Unlike other hobbies, this one is very special in this sense. Other hobbies, for example, if you're going for reading book or watching movie, then you just need to sit alone and need to enjoy this. And of course, you are not getting any benefits physiologically. So therefore, I'd like to suggest to all of my friends and relatives that make garden, stay mentally fit and physically fit as well.